Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to stop your computer from consuming a lot of data. So some of you, when you share your phone hotspots with your laptop, you notice that your data drains so fast, but many times you don't even observe or probably detect that it's your computer, your laptop or desktop system that is actually causing your data to get drained so fast. Yeah, right. So now I'm going to show you how to actually stop this from happening, so that whenever you have your data, whenever you share your hotspot from your phone to your laptop, you have good data rate consumption and not the one that is so excessive. Okay, let's go. So what you do, the first thing you're going to do is just come to your system. You can see this Windows, this start option here, or on your keyboard you see the Windows key. Just click on it. Once you click on the Windows key, you have options like this. So you go for settings, click on settings. Okay, so once you have your settings, the next thing you want to do is locate apps on this left hand side of your computer. Apps, this is apps. Click on it. Then you see this option, installed apps. This is where you are going to installed apps. Then click on it. Okay, so once you got to the installed apps, you see several apps that have been installed in the system. Most of them were not installed by you, but they came by default. This is Windows 11. They came by default, right? So these apps, they are normally much. So most of them came by default from Microsoft Corporation. So now what you want to do, you want to try to restrict background data. So most of these apps, they run on the background. So once they keep running on the background without even being authorized to run on background, they consume data unnecessarily. So the first apps you're going to locate are the apps that came by default, that came with your system, with the Windows 11. So the first apps you want to work on are the apps that came with Windows 11. Okay, now let us see. So the Windows 11 operating system comes with some apps by default. You want to locate those apps, and those apps, how do you identify them? Now when I scroll down a bit, okay, let's start from here. Now look at this calculator. You can see this Microsoft Corporation. So you didn't install this came by default. You can see camera, Microsoft Corporation. You can see this software here has nothing like Microsoft Corporation. You can see clock by Microsoft Corporation. So these apps, they run in the background. So what you want to do on Windows 10, it's very easy to disable them at once, all of them at once. But in Windows 11, it's not so. You have to do it individually. So those of you that are using Windows 10, you can check my video on how to stop your computer from consuming a lot of data on Windows 10. So I have the video already on my channel. So but this is for Windows 11. Windows 11, we have to do this one after the other individually, but on Windows 10 you can do it collectively. Okay, so now we come to calculator. Then you see, when you come forward, this right hand side, you see the three dots. Click on that three dots. You see advanced options. Click on advanced options. So by default, you will see that this option is not on never. It's always on power optimized, which is recommended. Power optimized. You see, it's on power optimized. So but yet, when your laptop is full enough, it keeps running on the background. So but you want it not to run on the background, whether your laptop is charged or not. So just click on this and then click on never. So background app permission on never. Once it is on this recommended or always, it will keep on running in the background. Once your data is on, it is running in the background and it is consuming your data unnecessarily, because you are not even using it for anything on the internet, but it keeps on consuming your data. So you just want to leave it on never. Okay, once you have done this, that's all. Then you go back to installed apps. Okay, so you do that for each of them that came by default. So we have done that for calculator. You go ahead and do that for camera. Do the same thing. I've already done that on this system. Then this is clock, Microsoft Corporation. You go ahead and do it on clock as well. then you do it for other apps. Most of these apps that were installed by me, if you check, they will not have advanced options. Okay, look at this one. This is calculator. When I click on these three dots, I have advanced option. But let me click for this one, this zip. Most of them doesn't have advanced option. Now let me click on it. Can you see? There's nothing like advanced option here. Can you see that? Now let me see this one, this second one. Click on it. You can see nothing like advanced option. Only few of them. Like for example, this, I installed this myself, right? This, when I click on it now, you see that we have advanced option. So just few of them. All right. So and this one, I have to also go ahead and also, restrict it from running in the background. Do you understand? So it only runs when I'm using it, but when I'm not using it, it never runs. So never. Okay. So I go back to installed apps. The only app you want to allow to run in the background, whether you are using it or not, is WhatsApp. The WhatsApp app. So when I scroll down, I have WhatsApp installed on my system. So I want it to run in the background whether I am using it or not. Let me scroll down. This is WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp will have the advanced options. So I click on it, and then I want it to run on the background. Now see, you can see power optimized recommended. So it runs in the background. WhatsApp runs in the background. So it's fine because I want my WhatsApp to keep running whether I'm using it or not. So whenever I'm not even on WhatsApp, it keeps running. So messages keeps entering and the rest of them. So that anytime I just go to WhatsApp, I can have my messages. So I don't have issues with that. But other apps, I have issues with other apps because I don't want them to run on the background when I'm not using them. So I have to disable each one of them. So this process has to be carried out individually for each of the apps that came by default with the Windows operating system. So when you scroll down, you can see clock needs to be worked on. You need to do it for clock. When I come down, this is mail and calendar. I have to do it for mail and calendar. Then I scroll down one after the other. I keep doing it one after the other. This media player, this maps, I have to do it for it because it has Microsoft Corporation, Microsoft 365. I have to do it. I have to do it for this. Bing. I have to do it for this. I have to do it for this. So I keep doing it for each one of them till it completes. For each one of them, I have to do it for each one of them. Then also those apps that are installed, I have to check for most of them that also have the advanced option so that I prevent them from running in the background. The more the apps runs in the background, the more your data is being consumed unnecessarily. So Notepad, I have to do it for Notepad and the rest of them that came by default. So the moment I do this, anytime I am sharing my hotspot to my laptop, you will notice that the data consumption rate is minimal, very, very minimal, just like as if I'm using my phone to browse. Very, very minimal. And that's all about this particular process. So once you are done with this, you can just take this down and then continue to use your system, and everything is perfectly fine. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching.